today we are going to learn about the rule of addition. Now this rule states that probability of occurrence of at least one of the event of A and B in a sample space of a random experiment is called law of addition of probability. Now the formula of this, that is A union B, is equals to P of A plus P of B minus P of A intersection B. And when three events are given, then the formula for finding P of A union B union C is P of A plus P of B plus P of C minus intersection of P of A and B intersection of A and C intersection of B and C plus P of A intersection B intersection C. Now these are some of the important results that is obtained from this rule. First states that if event A and B are mutually exclusive events, that means if events are mutually exclusive, then we know that P of A intersection B is equals to 0. So from the formula A union B, we are just supposed to write P of A plus P of B, because A intersection B is 0, so we are not supposed to write that. Now if all three events, that is A, B, C, are mutually exclusive, then in three events the formula is same, just we are supposed to deduct the intersection part, that is A union B union C is equals to P of A plus P of B plus P of C. Third, if two events are mutually exclusive as well as mutually exhaustive, at that time P of A plus P of B is always equals to 1. Now this is important for your 2 marker. If this states that events are mutually exclusive and exhaustive, and if the value of one event is given, then we can find the value of event B, because we know that A plus B is equals to 1. Same for the three events, the formula is P of A plus P of B plus P of C is equals to 1 if it is given that events are mutually exclusive and exhaustive. Thank you.